Katana man. Oh my god. Oh my god. He cut through a con. Ah, he looks so cool. Oh shit. He's using the sword. He's using the cursed sword. Oh shit, let's go! Oh, this looks so good. Oh, okay. Yeah, the counting. Oh. I want to be excited even though I know how this ends, but it looks so goddamn beautifully animated. I love the different camera angles. Oh, yo, this is such a metal panel. Please, do it justice. Oh! Okay. The best they could have done it here, to be honest. And that's it. Until Akane shows up.
早く医者に見せた方がいいの。
あいつ
June.
使っていやがった。日本では警察とデビルハンター以外入手は不可能なのに。
銃の悪魔はてめえの心臓が欲しいんだとよ。
ひとまず姫の先輩の治療を。
呪いの悪魔。その持っている釘を何回か刺したら死ぬみたいな感じか。
Oh shit.
いい動きだったね。
どこから来た？そいつの仲間か。
Oh, great, he's back up. So I always assumed she gave him some of her blood, but
どうして負けた？
not sure anymore.
マジで油断した。
じゃあさっさと殺して。
Ah, shit. Okay. They really capture the speed. Really well. Oh, yo, that panel! Oh, they did great. Poor Aki though.